What is going on, all of you growers and smokers out there? EasyBreezy here, come back with another video, and today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be showing you how to make a $8 still air box. Don't believe me? Just watch this video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get yourself one of these Sterilite 27 quart containers here. Next step is to go ahead and take this lid off. This step here is optional, but if you can find this NutraSphere here, sanitizing spray, I think they sell these at Walmart too. I think it's $4 or $5 for these though. This also helps. You can go ahead and spray the inside of your container. Grab a paper towel, wipe it around there, and let it air dry. Next, you can go ahead and grab whatever it is that you're working on. Grab your Sterilite container, put it over top just like that. Make sure you leave a little bit of room at the edge so your hands can fit underneath. And then, just like that, you can go ahead and work on whatever it is. Simple as that. It's a little tight, it's a little crowded, but hey, for under $8, what else do you expect? You can still get the same amount of work done. You just have to be a little bit more careful. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep on growing, keep on smoking, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. See you later.